Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects all of us, how to save your money fast. And I really mean fast. Not slowly over a decade, not eventually when you get a raise. I'm talking about strategies you can implement today to see a real, tangible difference in your bank account almost immediately. Whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, planning a dream vacation, or just desperately trying to get a handle on your finances, these are the tips that actually work. No fluff, no complicated spreadsheets, and definitely no guilt. Just real, actionable steps for real results. First up, and this is the most important one, you need to attack the big three expenses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Every finance guru loves to say, stop buying that daily coffee, and you'll be rich. Let's be honest. Cutting out a $5 latte is not going to change your financial life. It's a drop in the bucket. What will change your life is cutting down your three biggest spending categories: housing, transportation, and food. For the average American household, these three things can eat up anywhere from 60 to even 80% of your take-home pay. Let's break it down. But could you get a roommate to split the rent or mortgage? Could you consider moving to a slightly cheaper neighborhood when your lease is up? Sometimes you can even negotiate your rent with your landlord, especially if you've been a good tenant. A reduction of just $100 or $200 a month adds up to thousands over a year. Next is transportation. That car payment, insurance, gas, and maintenance is a huge a second car that barely gets used. Selling it could instantly eliminate a payment and insurance cost. Could you switch to a cheaper insurance plan? Websites let you compare quotes in minutes. Or maybe try carpooling to work a couple of days a week, or using public transit if it's available. Small changes here make a big difference. And finally, food. This is where mindless spending can really get out of control. The key here is planning. Buy generic or store brands. I promise, your family won't notice the difference in most things. And the big one, limit takeout and dining out. Try cutting it down to just once a week. You'll not only save a ton of money, but you'll probably eat healthier too. Remember, tiny tweaks in these three massive areas will create huge savings fast, way more than skipping a lifetime of lattes. Okay? Tip number 2 is what I call the 30-day freeze rule. This is your ultimate weapon against impulse spending. We've all been there. You're scrolling online, you see something you just have to have. Before you click Buy Now, pause. Instead of putting it in your cart, put it on a list. You can use a notes app on your phone and just title it 30-Day Freeze List. Then walk away. Don't think about it. After 30 days have passed, go back and look at that list. Ask yourself, do I still want this? Do I still need it? I guarantee you, 90% of the time, the urgent desire will have completely vanished. The excitement is gone, and just like that, you've saved money without feeling any pain or deprivation. You just outsmarted your own impulsive brain. Now for a more intense strategy, but one that delivers incredible results. Tip number 3, try a 50% savings challenge. Okay, don't panic. I'm not saying you need to do this forever. The challenge is to save 50% of your income for just one single month. 30 days. Think of it as a financial detox or a sprint. For 1 month, you cut out everything non-essential. No shopping, no restaurants, no paid entertainment. You cancel any free trials before they charge you and pause subscriptions you don't absolutely need. You cook every single meal at home and find free things to do for fun, like hiking, visiting a park, or having friends over. The results are mind-blowing. Many people who do this end up saving more in that 1 month than they did in the entire previous year. It radically shifts your perspective on what's truly a need versus a want. Tip number 4 is to automate your savings so you can't cheat. Relying on willpower to save money at the end of the month is a recipe for failure. There's always something that comes up, right? The solution is to take yourself out of the equation. Go into your online banking app right now. Seriously. You can do it while you're watching, and set up an automatic transfer. Schedule it so that a certain amount of money moves from your checking account to your savings account the day after you get paid. It could be $50, $100, whatever you can afford. The magic is in the timing. By moving the money right away, you never even see it in your checking account as available to spend. It's the classic out of sight, out of mind principle. You can't spend what you don't see. This is the single most effective habit for building savings consistently over time without even trying. Tip number 5 is to embrace the no-spend challenge. This is a bit like the 50% savings challenge, but focused on spending rather than saving a specific percentage. It's incredibly effective because it forces you to get creative and use what you already have. You can start small with a no-spend weekend. That means from Friday evening to Monday morning, you don't spend a single dollar. No morning coffee run, no going out to eat, no online shopping. You raid your pantry and freezer to make meals, you watch movies you already own, you go for a walk, read a book, or play board games. These challenges do more than just save you money. They fundamentally reset your spending habits. You start to appreciate free activities and realize how much fun you can have without constantly swiping your card. All right, moving on to tip number 6. Sell stuff you don't use. Your closet, your garage, your basement. You are probably sitting on hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars worth of stuff that is just collecting dust. That old iPhone in a drawer, the workout equipment you swore you'd use, the clothes that don't fit anymore, the extra furniture in the guest room. List it. Put it on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Poshmark, or eBay. It takes a little bit of effort to take some photos and write a description, but the payoff is instant cash. It's one of the fastest ways to get a quick infusion of money directly into your savings account. Tip number 7 is the foundation for all of this. Track your spending for 1 week. For just 7 days, track every single dollar. I mean everything. That pack of gum, the parking meter, that app you bought. You can use a simple notebook, a notes app on your phone, or a budgeting app. You will be shocked. You'll find the money leaks you didn't even realize you had. Those small, seemingly insignificant purchases, a couple of snacks from the vending machine, a few ride shares, that forgotten monthly subscription, they add up to hundreds of dollars a month. Once you see these patterns, you can plug the leaks, and your savings will grow instantly. Awareness is the first step to change. First, for all my fellow online shoppers, use the 24-hour rule. Online shopping is designed to be frictionless and impulsive. So, implement a simple rule. Whenever you find something you want to buy online, add it to your cart and then close the tab. If you still desperately want it tomorrow, then you can consider buying it. And the final bonus tip: save any unexpected money instead of spending it. Did you get a tax refund, a work bonus, some cash for your birthday? Did you get a rebate check in the mail? The natural temptation is to see this as fun money and immediately spend it. Resist that urge. Your normal budget already functions without this extra cash, so you won't miss it if you don't spend it. This is one of the fastest ways to supercharge your savings without changing a single thing about your daily lifestyle. These steps work because they're simple, they're realistic, and they build momentum. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below and let me know which one of these tips you're going to try first. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content just like this, and share this video with a friend who needs a financial boost.